Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can change app name on your iPhone. Welcome back to our channel iOS. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is simply just download your image of the application that you want to change the name of. For example, I want to change the name of App Store. So I'm going to download the image of App Store by simply going on Google. Right here, you can see this is the image of the App Store. Now simply long press on this image and you can see the option of save to photos. Tap on it and this photos has now successfully been saved into my photo. So now you can go back. So then now what we're going to do is simply open your shortcut application, which is right here. You can see by default on your phone. So simply open this application. And after opening the application here, now what you're going to do is tap on the plus icon that you can see in the top right here. So after tapping on plus icon here, you can see there is the option of open app right here. If you can't see open app right here, you can tap on the search bar right like this and then start typing open app, then open app will show up. Now we're going to tap on open app. And after tapping on open app here, you can see app right here. You're going to tap on this. And now all of the applications on your phone will open. Now you're going to select the application that you want to change the name of. So I'm going to change the name of the App Store. So I'm going to tap on App Store. So after doing that, now what we're going to do is simply tap on the share icon that you can see right here. After tapping on share here, you can now swipe up like this. And you can see there is the option of add to home screen. You can tap on add to home screen just like this. So after doing that here, now you can see we can add image of this shortcut. So we're going to tap on this image icon that you can see right here. After tapping on image here, you can see there is the option of choose photo. You're going to tap on choose photo, then your gallery will open just like this. Here you can see now your gallery has been opened and the photo that you earlier saved is right here. So we're going to tap on this icon photo like this. And now here you can see it is all set. If you are not satisfied with it, you can zoom it like this. And here you can see we are all set now. When you're satisfied with all the crops, you can tap on choose right here. After tapping on choose here, you can also see there is this new shortcut written right here. You're going to tap on it like this and then change the name of this shortcut. We're going to name this simply Play Store for now. I'm going to change it from App Store to Play Store. Here you can see I have written Play Store. So when you're all done, you can tap on add right here and you're all done. And now here you can see we are on the home page right now and you can see App Store is right here and the new shortcut is right here, which we have named Play Store. So you can simply just remove this App Store from your home screen for now. And here you can see now we have successfully changed the name of our App Store to Play Store. You can tap on it in order to open it just like this. And here you can see now your App Store is successfully opened. And just like this, you can change any name of your application on your iPhone. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.